I just want to say thanks to everybody that came out tonight. It's unbelievable. Just kind of kicking off and getting started. I know there's a big line out through here, and we had a little private deal earlier, but absolutely one of the most incredible things is to show support back to the community, and the community showing support back to us. It's pretty cool. So I'm excited about today. It's going to be a long night, but at the end of the day, it all takes all of our fans to do what we do. We can't do it without them supporting our sponsors and everything else. I know that sounded PC, but it really means a lot when everybody supports what we do. So let's have some fun tonight. We got Tony and Leah over here. Everybody's signing autographs. There's a massive line outside, and we're just going to have some fun.
Hey guys, I'm Leah Pruett, driver of the Dodge Direct Connection Top Fuel Dragster for Tony Stewart Racing, and we are here tonight with an incredible celebration for Matt Hagan's not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 World Championship that happened this year under Tony Stewart Racing, and I really can't imagine celebrating it with anyone else besides here at Shellor Motor Mile, and the number of fans that we have that are here that have followed all year long Matt's success, TSR, and even some of our fans from the Top Fuel Racing. We got this close to doubling up on a world championship, which means that there's greater things ahead for sure. But man, to be able to wrap up this entire season here at this establishment, at this dealership with these incredible people, that's what it's all about.
Hey everybody, Tony Stewart here, hanging out at Shellor Motor Mile. We're here to celebrate our driver, Matt Hagan's 4th World Championship. Our first for TSR, and you know, just proud to be here with him today, with him and his dad David. Everything that David does to support our program, to be able to come up here and hang out with Matt, David, all their friends, and then a ton of fans coming in today. We're excited to see everybody, and can't wait to try to get a 5th championship for him next year.